OpenAI's developer experience team is pushing back against vibe coding, the popular trend of using AI to generate code through casual, natural language prompts, warning that the approach poses serious security risks for enterprise organizations. Katia Gil Guzman, a founding member of OpenAI's developer experience team, spoke out against the practice in a recent Control-Alt-Lead podcast episode, emphasizing that while fast and loose prompting may work for hobby projects, enterprise teams need AI systems that behave like structured teammates rather than unpredictable black boxes. Enterprise teams need AI systems that behave like teammates, not black boxes, Guzman said, stressing that modern AI coding tools should generate structured pull requests, follow project rule sets, and be constrained using documentation, critical features for organizations operating in regulated environments. Security vulnerabilities drive concerns. The rejection comes amid mounting evidence of security risks in AI-generated code. Research from Veracode in November 2025 found that nearly 45% of AI-generated code contains security vulnerabilities, including critical flaws like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and authentication weaknesses. Security firm Kaspersky identified similar patterns in October 2025, finding that AI-generated applications frequently contain hard-coded API keys, client-side authentication logic, and missing input validation. Coined by former OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy in February 2025, vibe coding describes an approach where developers accept AI-generated code without fully reviewing or understanding it. The term became Collins Dictionary's word of 2025 in November. Single agents over multi-agent complexity. Guzman also challenged the industry's current fixation on multi-agent orchestration, arguing that most organizations simply don't need the added complexity. Single agents equipped with the right tools, guardrails, and context can already handle the majority of practical workloads. Multi-agent architectures have their place for complex workflows, Guzman acknowledged, but often introduce unnecessary complications that can slow development rather than accelerate it. This stance contrasts with widespread industry hype around multi-agent systems, which several technology providers have promoted as essential for enterprise AI adoption. Looking ahead, Guzman predicted a shift towards more personalized generative interfaces that adapt to users rather than forcing users to adapt to them. Combined with emerging software development kit ecosystems, she expects unified, context-rich experiences where employees interact with multiple services through a single intelligent interface. OpenAI's GPT-5 Codex, released in September 2025, embodies this structured approach with sandboxed environments, disabled network access by default, and built-in security controls designed for enterprise deployment.